Did you know you might have up to £10,000 waiting for you in unclaimed work expenses? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of the P87 form. Yes guys, welcome back to the Shoshin Mindset channel where knowledge is power. And before we begin, Shoshin Mindset family, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Today, we are diving deep into a tool that could potentially get your hard-earned money back, the P87 form. If you are a professional spending nights in hotels, dishing out for meals, or traveling for work, there's a chance it has been draining your pockets. Before you jump in, remember, always be truthful while filling out the form. Don't use the service for others or if you have already completed self-assessment tax returns. If you're claiming for expenses over $2,500 or more than 5 jobs, you'll need the postal form from the HMRC. You can claim by phone in specific cases and always keep receipts, especially those hotel stays and meals. And yes, there are approved rates for mileage. Cars and vans get 45p per mile for the first 10,000 business miles in a tax year, then 25p afterwards. For motorcycles, it's 24p and bicycles get 20p as well. Don't forget professional fees. They are eligible if they are job requirements on paid to approved bodies. But fees not approved by HMRC aren't covered. But there's a plethora of approved organizations from art societies, Unison to the Royal College of Nursing. Here's a link to what bodies are included as professional bodies. Uniforms can be an important part of many professions. If you have a uniform that identifies you with a specific occupation like a nurse or a police officer, you may be eligible to claim tax relief for cleaning, repairing, or replacing it. Even certain specialist clothing necessary for your job such as overalls or safety boots can qualify. And if you have laundry services, you can claim that too. The amount you can claim could be the actual expense you have incurred. And for this, you need to keep the receipts or an agreed fixed amount known as the flat rate expense or a flat rate deduction will be used. Always check if your job has a designated flat rate expense. From nurses to ambulance crews, there are specific flat rate relief amounts set for each profession. Some professions like nurses can claim up to £125, while others like ambulance crews can get up to £185. And the best part? You can claim for the last 4 years using the P87 form. Either download it from the HMRC website or give them a call and they'll post it straight to you. Think about it, a potential £10,000 from the last 5 tax years. That's money you have earned, so claim it back. Don't miss out on what's truly yours. And if this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more of such tips and insights. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Until next time, Shoshin Mindset family, keep that Shoshin spirit alive. Adios.